What's the meaning of coursing? Coursing. Coursing.
Coursing. Coursing. Coursing refers to the practice of using greyhounds or other breeds of dogs to chase game such as hares or rabbits. The dogs, which are trained for this purpose, are released to pursue the prey at high speeds and with great agility. Coursing may be done competitively, or simply as a recreational activity. The result of coursing is that the prey is often caught and killed by the dogs, which can be controversial among some groups who oppose the hunting of animals for sport.